Regular Easter Sunday, tens of thousands of Colombians would visit the sanctuary of Monserrate overlooking the capital Bogota. But with COVID infections once again on the rise, tight restrictions mean just 170 faithful are admitted to each Mass. NAYIBE Alfonso and her daughters say they came to pray for help in these challenging times.
Firstly, to end this pandemic that has harmed the entire world. Then for our health, that of our family and our business. It's been a tough year.
The authorities in Colombia are also praying to avoid the expected arrival of a third wave of coronavirus after the Easter holidays. But in some cities, the situation is already critical, with ICU units on the brink of collapse. On Sunday, the government announced new restrictions. Health experts are particularly worried that the surge in infections will easily overcome the slow rollout of the vaccination program in the country. Seniors here have denounced delays and complications in getting an appointment.
In Colombia, we have vaccinated just 4% of the population. At this rate, it will take us well over another year. We don't have that luxury. The Ministry of Health lacks management skills.
To try to increase daily doses, seniors over 70 are now allowed to get a vaccine without an appointment. 74-year-old Henry Sanchez said he had been waiting for one for a month until his niece saw the announcement on Twitter.
I called him and said I was going to pick him up immediately. He's been waiting for a call for a long time. I thought this was our chance.
And Colombia is not alone. Limited resources, delayed starts, and political scandals have affected the rollout in much of Latin America, where only a fraction has been inoculated. But hospitals are at the brink of collapse even in Chile, where more than 35% of the population has already been vaccinated. The country surpassed 1 million infections on Sunday, with more than 8,000 new cases every day, despite a total obligatory lockdown. In Brazil, the worst affected country in the region, where more than 66,000 people died in March, a special mass was broadcast live from the foot of Rio de Janeiro's iconic Christ the Redeemer statue. A somber occasion to remember those who died in what would usually be a day of joy and rebirth. Alessandro Rampietti, Aljazeera.